Hello everyone, I hope that you all are fit and fine, and let me tell you that I'm completely fine as well. So today also I have come up with a grand announcement, and that is my collaboration with a very special faculty. A faculty who has scored All India 10th rank in his CA final examination, a young and dynamic chartered accountant who teaches CA intermediate costing and CA final SCMPE, that is strategic cost management and performance evaluation, for the students from the past 2 years, and he teaches conceptually well so that the students can grasp the subject with ease and perform amazingly well in the examination. And he is none other than CA Tabish Hassan sir. CA Tabish Hassan sir, I welcome you to the platform, and the students, please let me know what do you feel about this collaboration in the comment section below, and if you have not already, please hit on the like button and subscribe button. And telling more about the courses, so the Sir CA Intermediate Costing Fast Track Batch for May 23, you can find it on our website, and also SCMPE Exam Oriented Batch, you can find it on our website. Very soon, Tabish sir is also coming for the full batch for November 2023 examinations. So after that, we will also announce our combo batch where you can buy my classes as well as Tabish sir classes together at an even more concessional price. Also, you can find his revision lectures on our platform in the playlist section. So you can go to my channel and go to playlist. You will find his revision lectures also for your preparation. So I hope that you found this collaboration useful and it helps you in your preparation to become a chartered accountant. So see you in the next video, dear. Till then, take care. Bye bye.